In this video, we'll show you how to make a white balsamic reduction. If you've never made it before, it's simple and we'll pass along a few tips. If you have made it, you might find some inspiration as we're going to add some sweet tropical spice with pineapples and habaneros. The first step is to place 2 cups of balsamic vinegar in a stock pot over medium heat and bring it to a simmer. In this recipe, we're using 1½ cups of white balsamic vinegar and 1/2 cup pineapple juice. We're also adding 1/2 cup of fresh chopped pineapple and 4 habaneros that have been coarsely chopped. That brings us to tip number 1. Habaneros are very spicy, and I'll tell you that this did come out very hot. Consider using 1 to 2 chopped habaneros for medium to moderate heat. Now all you need to do is simmer this until it reduces down about 50%. Make sure that you stir it occasionally. The time will depend obviously on 2 factors. 1, how hot you're simmering your vinegar, and 2, the quality of your vinegar, which brings us to tip number 2. High quality vinegar contains less water, so it'll take less time to reduce and concentrate. Once you've reduced the vinegar down at least 50%, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool. It may seem very loose, but you'll notice as it cools, it'll thicken into a sweet tangy reduction that you're trying to achieve. We strained ours with a fine mesh sieve to remove the peppers and pineapple. Tip number 3, you're looking for the consistency of a pourable honey that will coat the back of a spoon. This is great on caprese salad, roasted vegetables, grilled meats, or even pizza. Leave us a comment below on how you use it or what you like to add to enhance the flavor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you here soon on the Idea Plate.